Hi, I'm George Adams, a clinical hypnotherapist based in Paris, helping you to overcome social anxiety and shyness. Today I want to talk about one thing you should know about hypnosis. What's that? It's the gateway to your subconscious mind. Now, your subconscious mind takes care of your heart beating 24/7 and a myriad of things that's going on in your body. It just takes care of everything. You don't even need to think about it. And when you're in hypnosis, you can get access to the subconscious mind because the conscious mind is taking a back seat. It doesn't mean it's not there. It just means that it's not really, it's just observing. So it's not bothering you, in fact. And once we have access to the subconscious mind, there's so many things that we can do. First of all, we can identify the root cause of your anxiety, your shyness, social phobia. Work on this cause, replace it with something far more beneficial and acceptable to you. We can also work on planting suggestions that are very, very strong and beneficial to you, such as, I feel so confident, I feel so good in front of people. I love being in front of a camera, for example. I love going to meetings. I really enjoy going to parties. And before you ever start working on improving this and finding the root cause, removing the root cause, replacing it with a much more beneficial and comfortable behavior, you think to yourself, how am I going to get through this? How am I going to get over that mountain? Well, hypnosis is one of the keys, and a very, very powerful one at that. So that's it. Hypnosis can bypass the conscious mind and help you to change your behavior in a very, very positive way. And those behaviors, you'll feel them when you're actually, little by little, you'll feel them when you're in social situations and you say to yourself, I did it, or I can do it. It is possible. And let me tell you something, if it's possible for me, it's possible for you. I've been there. So I'm looking forward to working with you in the future, or to seeing you. You can post comments anywhere you want. I'd like to know how you're getting on, what difficulties you may be having. Have you been practicing hypnosis or not? In what way I can help you. That's why I'm here. So take care, have a great day. Like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe above or below. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook, my Instagram. George Adams is everywhere. So don't hesitate. Take care. All the best. You can do this. Bye-bye.